Hi folks, welcome back to Stony Point Forge and Star Belt Grinders. Last night I assembled these two grinders, my new G6 bolt together kit grinders. This one has got a gas strut, and this one I got set up with just a regular spring. If you decide you want to move this or make this into a gas strut grinder, just move this arm to the next hole and put a gas strut and remove the spring. But I decided to put a motor on this last night and try it out, make sure everything works as it should. This is a new batch of grinders, and I turn it on here. Running in the forward position. And speed it up. I can reverse it. This grinder does feature my dual tracking, so you're able to adjust it in for forward and reverse. This grinder will come with all the bolts, handles, washers, everything to build a grinder except for the motor and wheels. You got to provide your own wheels and motor. Next, I just sold this rotary plat, and I'm going to try that out next on this grinder. Thank you.